Okay, if your shifter is sticking and you cannot proceed backward or proceed to release it, it's connected to the solenoid. Apparently it's a very common defect with the Corvette, so let me start it. You have your foot on the parking brake, you press, and it doesn't want to release. And I can press as hard as I want and my foot is on the brake. So what do you do? Very easy. Just remember that instead of forcing and getting frustrated on that, is just put a bit of forward pressure. They're saying about 1/4 of an inch, it feels more like 1/8 of an inch. Press on the brake and I just hear the release. And then you can press on the button and shift. So again, slight pressure forward, press on the brake, like we can hear. And if I don't push forward, you don't hear anything. So pretty easy fix, so keep that in mind, because I've been having that issue. I've been forcing a lot and that was not working, or sometimes it would, and can be very frustrating. So hope you guys enjoyed that video, helps you. See you guys, and don't forget to smash the thumbs up and subscribe if you like it.